Hey everybody, I'm just in my shop. Going to talk about our new website, starracing.com, and here we go. If you followed Star Racing for any amount of time, you know we don't put our name on something unless it's earned. Today we're launching 5 new products and I want to walk you through each one. Right first up, the cam change gasket kit with cam bearing. It's a high performance bearing. It has lots of needles. Has everything that you need. Case gasket, cam chest, the lifter cover gaskets, has exhaust gaskets, and it has all the O-rings that you might need. This is available, and everything that you might need is here from us at Star Racing. Next, we have adjustable push rods. These aren't the typical adjustable push rods that everyone is selling. When you're doing any kind of cam work, your push rod geometry and reliability matters. These are built to give you that precision adjustment without the headache of opening up your rocker box and still being durable for high performance applications. I learned this in Pro Stock car. You need stout push rods. This little spindly thing, it looks spindly. It's easy. They call it quickie. I don't like them because they're flimsy, and this is their high performance version. It's spindly as well. Star Racing adjustable push rods come complete with the tubes, the clips to hold the tubes in place, and it comes with all 4 adjustable push rods. You can find these on starracing.com, and they are available today. Next, I'm going to introduce our Star Racing lifters. These are really very precise, high performance lifters. You can use these to replace your stock lifters. I've always recommended that if you've got good stock lifters, you can use them, but these replace your stock lifters. They're a good replacement. I found out that stock lifters last about 20 or 25,000 miles, and if you're gonna put a new cam in, why not install Star Racing lifters? Next, we have our adjustable pressure clutch plate. These 2 gold plates, they come with 2 different pressures, 50 thousandths add and 25 thousandths add. This one has 35 thousandths add and 15 thousandths. This is your stock one. The stock one has no pressure added. These little knobs on the back, they're like shims made into each one of these, and it's for 3 clutch springs. And this card, if you have stock springs and you do the 50 thousandths upgrade, you can get 81 pounds of pressure, and HD 1275 is 83 pounds of pressure. So if you already have HD 1275, you can use these kits to go all the way up. And this thing is available to handle 170 foot-pounds of torque with the proper adjustment. These are the only tools that you need: 10 millimeter, a T27, and a ratchet or a little motorized electric job. But anyway, you can get this from starracing.com, and it's been a very popular item. Everything we just showed you is now available on the Star Racing website. The links are in the description. If you've got questions about what fits your bill, drop them in the comments. We read them, we answer them. And if you're a dealer interested in carrying any of this, or you have questions, reach out. And thank you for watching. Look at starracing.com.